My landlord raised my rent $400 a month with 30 days notice. I couldn't afford to move, and I couldn't afford to stay. I pulled comps, 3 similar units nearby renting for less, and emailed them, not called. Paper trail, no pressure tactics on the phone. I offered a 2-year lease instead of 1. Landlords hate vacancy risk more than they love a higher number. I asked for half the increase now, half in 6 months. Gave them a yes they could say without losing face. Landed at $150 over old rent instead of $400. Not everyone will get this, but almost no one asks at all. Full negotiation email template is in my free starter kit. Link in bio.